Hello, welcome. Let's look at this one. The question number 19, we have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are given as 2/3 and -1. The root has been given to us. We can do it in two ways. Let's start with the quick one. We know the equation is given by we have x squared minus the sum of root times x plus product of root equals to 0. So if the roots are 2/3 and -1, we have x squared minus the sum of the root, meaning 2/3 plus -1 times x, then plus their product 2/3 times -1, all equals what? 0. So in the case of this, we have x squared. This is going to be, we can make it 3/3, -3/3, which will be like fraction. So 2 minus 3 will be giving you -1. So we'll be having -1 is already here. So minus give you plus x over 3. I don't know if you get that concept. Let's break it down. We can still have our negative into bracket 2/3 plus -1 out of what? 1. If I multiply this by 3, I am using 3 because I have a denominator of 3 to make it a like fractions, right? Then the x will come plus, if you multiply, you'll be having -2/3 equals to 0. So here I will be subtracting the numerators. So negative here, -1. So I have x squared plus -1, meaning 1 times x. X divided by 3 minus 3, I beg your pardon, that will be 2 out of 3 equals to 0. So now that I'm seeing a fraction of a denominator of 3, I multiply through by 3 to make x squared times 3 become 3x squared. If you multiply here by 3, you have plus x by 3 minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the equation that we are looking for. Or better still, we can say that the root, let me just close this one. So the roots are, we know we have 2/3 and -1. The equation will become x. This is positive, so become -2/3 times x plus 1 equals to 0. It was this that gave us the root. When we equate this equals to 0, then x is going to be equals to 2/3. Equate this equals to 0, x is going to be -1. So now if you expand this, you get back your original equation. So x times x, that would be x squared, x times 1, that would be positive x, right? Then minus 2/3 times x minus 2/3x, we are multiplying, right? Then minus 2/3 equals to 0. So in the case of this is going to be like terms. So this can also be 1 minus 2/3. This one can be 3 out of 3. That is 1, right? So if you subtract, 3 minus 2 will give you 1/3. So the whole of this here is just going to be x squared plus 1/3x minus 2/3 equals 0. Multiply through by the 3 will give you 3x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. So this is the equation that gives us the root to be 2/3 and -1. I guess the concept is clear. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.